We all know making money is hard, but what is even harder is keeping it safe. Scammers are getting smarter, fraudsters are getting bolder, and if you're not careful, one wrong click or one bad decision can wipe out everything you've worked for. That's why today's video is all about protecting your funds. It is not always just about saving or investing, but securing your money is very important. So whether you're just getting started with finances or you're already stacking some coins, these tips will help you stay sharp and scam-free. So grab a drink, settle in, and let's dive into some real conversation about how best to secure your funds from scammers. Let's start with something simple but powerful. Number 1. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. I know we've all heard that before, but it still works, because it's still true. These scammers are smooth. They come at you with investment opportunities that promise to double your money in 7 days, or make you $5,000 a week doing almost nothing. They sound confident, they show proof, and they pressure you to act fast. But let's be honest, real wealth doesn't work like that. There's no legit investment that gives you 50% monthly returns with zero risk. That's not investing, that's gambling, and you're not even holding the dice. Scammers love to dress things up: crypto bots, forex gurus, fast-track trading apps. But behind all that glitter, it's empty. If you dig even a little, you'll realize there's no official registration, no verified track record, and no real accountability. If someone avoids your questions, rushes you, or promises guaranteed success, take a step back. Do your research. Ask someone you trust. And remember, if it really worked like that, they wouldn't be trying to get you to join. They would secure it for themselves alone. If this topic resonates well with you, please click on the like and subscription buttons on your screen. This action takes less than 2 seconds, and it will really help this channel. Thank you. Number 2. Now, let's talk about something that sounds obvious but catches a lot of people off guard. Don't share your personal or banking information with anyone. It's wild how bold scammers have gotten. They'll call pretending to be your bank. They'll message you on WhatsApp acting like your cousin. Some even clone your friend's social media profile and ask for help. And before you know it, you've handed over your bank PIN or card number. Please don't fall for that. No real bank, no real government office, no real business will ever ask for sensitive details like your card PIN, BVN, SSN, or password over the phone or in a random email. If someone calls and says, "We need to verify your information," just hang up and call the official number directly. Don't give in to pressure, even if they sound convincing. Your personal info is gold to scammers. It's the key to your financial life. And once they have it, they can clean out your account, open loans in your name, or worse. Always take a second to think. If you didn't initiate the contact, don't share your details. And even if it looks like someone you know, verify it first. One phone call can save you from a financial disaster. Number 3. Here's another lifesaver. Turn on two-factor authentication. Like today. I get it. It's one extra step. It could be like an inconvenience, especially in this fast-paced, everyday busy life. Sometimes you're in a hurry and that little pop-up asking for a code feels annoying. But let me tell you that one step could stop a hacker dead in their tracks. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is like a second lock on your door. Even if someone somehow gets your password, they still can't get into your account without the second code. It's usually sent to your phone or email, and that one little detail can save you from losing everything. Think about it like this. Would you leave your house unlocked just because turning a key is inconvenient? That is exactly the point. Your email, your bank app, your investment accounts, these are digital homes for your money and your future. Lock them up. Go to your app settings today, scroll to Security, and turn it on. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, You have made it harder to be scammed. Number 4. Now let's talk about passwords. If you're still using your birthday or 123456 as your password, we need to talk. Your password should be like your toothbrush, personal, not shared, and changed regularly. Use something strong, a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And please, don't use the same password for everything. Hackers have tools that can guess weak passwords in seconds. And if you're reusing the same one across apps, they can get into everything with just one lucky guess. If remembering complex passwords feels like too much, use a password manager. There are free ones that store and generate secure passwords for you, and they make life a lot easier. Bottom line, don't make it easy for scammers. Make your passwords hard to crack and keep them private. Number 5, let's shift to how you move online. Because honestly, that's where a lot of scams happen. You get an email saying, your account has been compromised. Click here to fix it. And you panic click. Or you see a DM with a weird link. Or a job post that asks for your details up front. Happens all the time. But here's the thing. Scammers are counting on your reaction. They want you to act fast, not think. So before clicking anything, pause. Ask yourself, does this make sense? Check the sender's email address. Hover over the link. Does the URL look off? And please, don't do financial stuff on public Wi-Fi. That's like logging into your bank account on a megaphone. Use your mobile data if you have to, or wait till you're on a secure connection. It's not worth the risk. Treat your online activity like your wallet. Don't leave it open and exposed. Number 6. One simple but powerful habit is to monitor your accounts regularly. I know some people are scared to check their bank apps. It's like, if I don't look, maybe the money is still there. But the truth is, checking regularly is your best defense. Set up alerts on your bank app. That way, anytime money leaves your account, you know about it instantly. If something looks off, you can act fast. It also helps you stay connected to your spending. You'll start noticing patterns. Like, wait, I spent how much on delivery this week? That awareness alone can save you money. But more importantly, it helps you catch fraud early before it turns into a mess. Number 7. Now this next one is big. Don't rush when it comes to sending money. Scammers thrive on urgency. They'll hit you with, this opportunity is ending in 10 minutes, or send this payment now or your account will be blocked. It's all pressure tactics. But listen, real opportunities don't expire in 10 minutes. Your bank won't cut you off because you didn't reply fast enough. And anyone who makes you feel rushed is not someone you want to trust with your money. Always verify before you send. If your friend is asking for money out of nowhere, call them. If a business says pay now or lose out, ask for documentation, receipts, something real. Trust your gut. If you feel nervous or confused, pause. Because money moves fast, but regrets last longer. Number 8. Speaking of money moves, only use trusted platforms when investing or shopping online. If you're buying something or putting money into an app or website, do your homework. Check reviews. Look them up on Google. See if they're registered or licensed. No info? That's your sign. And just because a website looks professional doesn't mean it's real. Scammers are good at design now. They can make fake apps and clone legit websites in minutes. Don't fall for a pretty interface. Look for proof. Look for transparency. If it feels sketchy or you can't get clear answers, walk away. Your money deserves better than vibes alone. Number 9. Now here's something a lot of people forget. Scams aren't just about you. They affect the people around you too. You might know how to spot red flags. But what about your parents? Your auntie who just started using WhatsApp? Your younger cousin who thinks every DM is a blessing? One of the best things you can do is share what you know. Teach your family how to recognize scams. Help them set up two-factor authentication. Show them what phishing emails look like. Scammers often target the vulnerable, so let's protect each other. Let's normalize talking about money safety in the family group chat, not just memes and birthday wishes, because when we all know better, we all do better. Number 10. And finally, if something feels off, say something. Report it. Freeze your card. Change your password. Call your bank. Do not wait. A lot of people feel embarrassed when they suspect fraud. They think, maybe I'm overreacting, or I don't want to look silly. But trust me, acting fast can make all the difference. It's way better to raise a false alarm than to lose your money because you waited too long. Scammers are fast. Be faster. So that's it. These aren't just random tips. These are real tools to help you keep your money safe in a world that's getting more complicated every day. If this helped you, give the video a like, share it with someone you care about, and drop a comment below with your own experiences. Let's keep each other sharp, because your money should work for you, not disappear on you. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. We have come to the end of this video. Please share your thoughts and reactions with me in the comments section. Bye.